I learned so much about saying no, alam mo yun? Kasi parang no sa akin is a preference. Preference, a choice.
Mm.
Choice either gusto ko ba yan o hindi, parang gano'n. Pero no is not rejection to me, ha. When I say no, I don't reject. It's a preference for me.
Mm. That's okay. Wow.
'Di ba?
That's
It's a
very
preference.
interesting, huh? So
Kasi
no is a
for you
preference,
for
not
you
a
kasi
rejection.
for you kasi, you are the people, who's giving you gift, they feel that they're being rejected when you say no. So you have to download yourself like that. Because for me, when I say no, it's a preference. This is a choice between yes or no. It's not a
Mm.
form of rejection. I don't reject when I say no. It's my preference. It's my choice. Yun yung definition ko ng no and yes. So whenever a person is giving me something, and then I feel na kailangan kong kunin 'to, ayoko 'yan. Hindi dahil sa sinasabi kong ayoko na, sinasantabi kita. Eto yung importante sa akin ngayon. That's it. That's how it is. It's a preference and not rejection at all.